Morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and let's get right into it. It's Friday. We got some news coming out in about 5 minutes. I do have a trade in right here um, that was activated. Got a pretty nice entry in right here. I closed most of it. It was a small trade. I had a sell limit in yesterday that was activated in the zone, but was able to make about $1,000 overnight, which is crazy when you think about it. I was kind of pissed because I didn't make what I should have made if I put a bigger position in, but at the end of the day, fucking making money while you're sleeping, so it doesn't matter. So I got this trade in right now. I'm gonna remove this though. I'm gonna just delete it and let's get right to this shit. So currently, what I see for the most recent high to the most recent low, I see two zones. This one right here, close to the 50%, this ILC, and this one up top, which I like even more. But the thing is I'm not sure this one up top is going to get hit just from the drop that we've seen. But you never know. Um, we could just see price fall off right here and just keep falling. So there's also that possibility. So you got to think about that. But I do like this 15-minute 50 EMA with the golden zone ILC. So I'm going to wait for this one. If it comes back up here, then I'm taking it. If not, then I'm going to keep my fingers off my phone and not do shit. All right, so oh yeah, and shout out to my wife. She's officially a nurse.
Gangland,
Uh,
that's right.
hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
And then fucking
Hell yeah. She passed her test. She found out yesterday?
yeah, last night.
No, he said last night. She took it in the morning.
No, she took it Wednesday morning.
Wait,
Wednesday morning, yeah. And then we found out last night.
Gangland. She passed with flying colors, or it was like.
Yeah, cause she fucking there's a minimum of
Well, she's not stupid. I mean, she's not like fucking my baby mama. She's smart.
yeah. Well, she was over here stressing me out. Like I was telling Sporty, like that's making me feel like she failed that motherfucker.
Yeah, worried.
Yeah, I'm like shit. You better not have failed. So I'm looking. It's 119 pips away. We might not even get this thing. But we got to remember here, this is a key area, key zone right here. So we might see price come up to this zone, tap it, and fall off. If I see a nice little small risk right here, I'd be down to take a trade right here at this level and have a small stop loss. So if it blows past this, fuck it, 20 pips, cut us off, and then we'll get a trade up top. But the way it looks right now, it just might keep falling off. So let's see what happens. We got a minute till this news comes out, and this is big time news. This is the what was it? Core price index or some shit.
There's two. There's housing at 7, and then there's consumer.
Core price. Yeah, so this one, if this one's 0.5%, then we're going to see a tank. If it's 0.4 or 0.3%, then we'll see the market probably skyrocket. So let's see what it do. See what it does. All right, 5 seconds. Damn, that shit just kept flying. Look at my take profit was right there from this trade, and it still hasn't closed me out. That's weird. That's weird how I was doing that. Yeah, it looks like it maybe want to come up right here, and this is a key zone, right? It still didn't break this low right here, which is a good thing. Well, not necessarily, but again, I think this move is now invalidated that we were waiting for, because now we got to stretch this out to here, and it kind of makes this move look a little bit more valid right here, right? So now this is golden zone. This is 78%. Turn this purple.
Damn, that shit dropped 100 pips in like
Seconds, huh?
damn, that shit had me hot. I was trying to put in my trade dick and it wouldn't do it. Like yesterday, food just froze everything.
You know why though, right?
Because it's right before open.
Yeah. Oh, it's during open. You can't put it in at open. You have to put it in before open. Because there's too much volume. Yeah, you can't, because you ain't the only motherfucker pressing sell, you know? Or buy, or whatever.
They're gonna be up 3 racks right now.
That shit still hasn't shut me out. That's weird. Look at my take profits right there. But it still hasn't closed.
Push that middle button.
I mean, I'll just let it go. If it's going to keep going. Fuck it. It's a small little runner in here. But I'm up damn near 300 pips. That's crazy.
I can't believe that. Well, I missed the trade, dog, so it's that.
Yeah, I mean, if we miss a trade, we miss a trade. I like this little area up top, though. Again, now we got the EMA in here. This is a strong area of support, right? So if it comes up to this purple box for me, I kind of like it to sell off from. Even though I had this line coming up to here, price breaking through, coming up to here, and then falling off. We can delete this, though. So let's see what the numbers were. What's core PC? Ooh, shit, son. 0.6%. That's why it fell off. So usually this is a good thing, but at this point in time with high interest rates and everything going on, this is a bad thing. So okay, we're gonna have to do a little bit more on rate hikes. So we're probably gonna expect 50% or 50-point rate hike in March. So right now it's at 6.2%, I think. Or no, how does it work? The total interest rate, I think it's at 5.5 or 5.75, so it'll probably go to 6.25, which means credit card interest rates, loans, everything's gonna go up. Which they said it's already supposed to go up after this quarter. All credit card interest rates are gonna go up. So that's crazy. So yeah, now we got new home sales and consumer sentiment. What's crazy is I just don't think enough Americans pay attention to like what's going on with the economy. So I think consumer spending, we're still going to see a shitload of people spending a bunch of money.
Hell yeah.
So, you know, we'll see what happens right now.
I missed the trade for you.
Yeah, I closed my shit out. And you see how it with my take profit, how technically it started down there. So when it opened at 530, it jumped my take profit, so it never activated it. So that's happened to me, dog, where I've had my stop loss right there, and it jumped my stop loss, and I was only supposed to lose fucking, I think 400, and I ended up losing like a rack when I couldn't. And I'm like, dog, what the fuck? Like my stop loss is here and price is down here, and it never activated.
I would screenshot that and send it in.
There's nothing you can do about it though.
What?
Yeah.
Bastards.
Yeah. It's just the way the market opened. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it looks like price might just not make it to where we want to go, but we'll see right now. It's crazy because when we have 5:30 news, I don't hit the gym. Get all that shit.
We still have 7 o'clock news too.
Yeah, we'll see if it gives it to us. Yeah, I'm not touching anything until it at least comes up to this zone right here. at least.
I just have to do like 120 pips.
Right now it's 130 pips away from that bottom 50% ILC. Honestly, up here, yesterday when I was at the shop, I put a trade in right here, but it just kept going up, going up, going up. Had another one in here, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just get out of here. It's against my rules to be trading later in the Asian session. Let me just get out of this shit. But I had a trade all the way up here, the very top, dog. And I just closed it right here because I was like, ah, let me just get out. Yep. I think it's pretty key for this to break this, though. For this low to break this low, I think that's pretty key. Let's see what the other chart looks like. Now you can see it's kind of the same thing. This is a daily level right here. So as soon as it used this daily as resistance, started to use it as resistance, that's when we've seen the fall off.
Oh, it's reaching that low. There we go.
Shit, 300 pips on this trade. I wish I would have just let that motherfucker ride, man. I didn't think it. I thought we'd seriously see a retracement.
Me too.
At open, and then hop in there. You know what I've been noticing, like the past week or two? Haven't you noticed that a lot of trades have been hitting overnight during the lending session?
Yeah. That's why I was up at 3 and I seen it drop here. And I was like, fuck, do I put in a trade? And I was like, no, I might retrace. And that's when I put that in. It might retrace and then come down.
Yeah.
Didn't do any of that.
Just broke this low, so maybe now we'll see a retracement, but just broke it right now. That's crazy how it jumped over my take profit.
Damn, that shit's getting down there, dog.
Look at this. I put this in yesterday the same time I put in my other trade. That's $200 a pip. I'm just playing with this one, right? But imagine that shit, and look at how many pips are. Oh, I didn't even put my stop loss in there. But look at that shit. $200 a pip. 72 racks.
That shit's way below that shit now. I'm gonna put in a buy.
That shit's crazy to me, dog.
Go for it.
Oh, look at. You see that gap right there? That's where my take profit was at. So it jumped it.
Oh, that little gap right there.
Yeah. See, I can't. See, that's what I need to get out is just set it and forget it type shit, there. For real. Like, waking up to 72K would be a lot better than just like, oh, I made $1,000. I'm not trying to be greedy. You get what I'm saying?
You know what I mean.
Sooner or later, though. Sooner or later. Damn, I ain't gonna lie. I was seriously expecting a little retracement right now. Like a little push up before the fall off. Give these buyers some hope. Ooh, why are you putting trades in, dog?
Put in a buy right now. It's like below there, dog. It's saying I'm on my way up, Richard.
You're tripping. You put a buy in right now?
Yeah.
All right, let me go to the rule book.
Damn, what the fuck?
All right, the rule book says.
You're an idiot.
Where is it at? Trading rules. Identify the trend and never, in bold, underlined, and fucking the I thing to where it goes sideways. Never go against it.
You're right. I'm gonna put my trade down.
I should print these shits out for you guys so you can see them too. I'm gonna have to get rid of this rule though. Take partial profits.
No, if you have a couple runners and you have a few in there, take partial
Yeah,
profits
but
on
I
some.
can't take 25% at 50 pips. You know what I mean? That means I would have to take 25% out at my stop loss if I'm in drawdown. You know what I mean? You can see a retracement right here. I don't know.
I'm running not liking this. Like I put in my trade at like 70 something, and I put it at 83.
That might be the volatility too, though.
Nah, fool, there's nothing right there. It's fucking on the bottom.
So it's 530. The 530. Right. Oh, we did see a little push up at 530. Not enough though. Came down about 80 pips. Oh no, 530's right here. I'm tripping. You know what I was really hoping for is for all my sal limits to be activated while I was sleeping, and then I wake up to this.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Louder than the shit, you know what I mean? I wake up to like 7K. I just close it. I don't even fucking just close.
That's what I did last night. I was like, fuck, guess who just taught me that shit? I put in my things, boom, 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 and I'm like, all right, cool. You know what I mean? If it goes, it goes. You know?
That shit. I mean, it's been hitting the past couple weeks. It feels like overnight. During the London session is where the move is actually happening, and then we gotta fit in, get in where we fit in everywhere else. Just gotta remember. I mean, I don't see it on this side though. Damn, that shit just keeps falling, dog. Yeah, I think that shit's probably out of here. It's gonna come down to this next line right here. Boom. Yeah. Shit is out of yeah.
Damn, good.
Oh, I wish I had a bigger fucking trade right here. Fucking. You know what's funny? I had all these positions in right here yesterday. I just got out because I was like, I'll probably retest all this shit, so let me just get out. Oh, fuck it. That shit's up fucking 370 pips from when I entered my trade. Still falling. Honestly, I don't even see a move anymore. The only thing I see is right here, dog. This is it. Don't be putting in no unnecessary trades, dog.
No, I lost $180. I'm mad because I missed a fucking trade, dog. Oh, fucking beat it.
Do you have your real account now?
I don't know what the fuck I got. They sent me an email yesterday. I tried texting them back. They're acting like fucking Jews. Excuse me.
What did they say?
Just wait till tomorrow. The time that you finish your thing should be the time that you get your thing started. Whatever. Go back to your time. Look at put your last trade in or whatever.
But what did they say? A day, 2 days?
Fucking 40,
Huh?
48 hours.
48 hours?
I'm even trying to hear all that. I just missed that trade. I'm pretty upset.
Yeah, can't call it.
No, don't do that. God damn it, dude.
What happened?
I gotta go push this stupid fucking button so I can get my thing out and it fucking pushes a fucking cell. Stupid.
So I would just stay away right now at this point. If it comes up here to this area, then we're in business. If it doesn't,
Which area? What pip are you talking about?
It's 177 pips away. 167.
Nah, what number are you looking at though? 3294. What?
I don't know. It would be so like 32,954 would be the first entry. That'd be the entry. Then stops just above here, and if it breaks all this shit, then we fucking lost.
Okay, Salomon at what?
Like 954ish.
32954 dot 0.
Yeah, I seen there's this dude Rajah Banks. This motherfucker's like that for you said sporty who I made 7K in fucking 15 minutes. Like people talking shit. That fool's like that. Like 15 pips, 20 pips. I made 72 grand. God damn. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna make its way back up there though. Picture me rolling. Tip of my
So like that,
shoulder.
right? With 50 with
50
the
pips.
56.
Yeah. I think it's a little bit more though. 50 pips that you're risking. You're doing like 71, dog. I mean, 50 pips is right up to the golden zone right here.
Take 32954 and 33004. It's exactly 50 pips.
No, 33. Oh yeah, is that it? 3304.
Look at the map. Look at the top one. I'm missing 50 pips.
No, I know. I'm saying that it could make it up to this area, to this golden zone. Because right here's the 50%. Up here's the golden zone, or right here's the golden zone. So I'm saying if you enter right here, there's a chance that it makes it all the way up to here, which is about 75 pips away.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah.
Shit's to climb like 200 pips just to get right there.
Hmm?
Well, I missed the trade. Fuck it.
Sick fuck. That's gross, dog. I feel like I could already smell that shit.
It's like a movie fart out.
Yeah.
I got movie quality fellas.
That sounded like a whoopee cushion.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think maybe we did miss the trade. Yeah.
I missed the trade. Yeah,
Yeah, fuck it.
at least I didn't fucking lose more money. At least I didn't fucking, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Fuck it. I'll get on later today. I'll be on.
You know what I'll do? I had my alert up here. Bring it down to right here. I'll get alerted. Approaching. Sell off IOCs. Notification. Sorry guys, we weren't able to cash nothing but 5, 7, 2, 8. So this is where I'm looking to sell off from. If we have the opportunity, if price does come back up here, I'm selling off at the zone. And if I were you, just be smart because there is a chance it makes it up here. Enter something smaller here. Give yourself the leeway to understand what you're risking right here. If it's 75 pips, you got to understand how much you're risking at 75 pips. So whatever it is, and then I think we could take it down. Where is it at? It should be somewhere right here, actually. Let me go to this chart. 2 hours. Yeah, actually, this is a key zone. You see all these rejections right here. The good thing is it broke the low, so maybe we see a continuation, but I think we could see it come back down to these levels at least. So we'll see what it gives us. I'm gonna hop back on maybe in like 30 minutes, and then we'll go from there. So appreciate you guys for hopping on. We'll be back on in like 30 minutes.